While clove water is a popular home remedy, it's important to note that there isn't extensive scientific research to support all the health benefits attributed to it. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. That being said, here are some potential benefits of clove water that have been suggested. Improved digestion. Clove water may help stimulate digestion and alleviate digestive discomfort, such as bloating and gas. Oral health. Clove water is often used for its antimicrobial properties, which may help combat bad breath, toothaches, and gum infections. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies suggest that clove water may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could potentially help reduce inflammation in the body. Pain relief. Clove water contains compounds that have analgesic properties and may offer temporary relief from headaches, joint pain, and muscle soreness. Respiratory health. The aroma of cloves is believed to have expectorant properties, which may help alleviate coughs, colds, and congestion. Blood sugar regulation. Preliminary research suggests that certain compounds in cloves may have a positive impact on blood sugar control, which could be beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Antioxidant activity. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body and protect against oxidative stress. Immune support. The antimicrobial and antioxidant properties of cloves may contribute to supporting a healthy immune system. Skin health. Some traditional remedies use clove water topically to help soothe skin irritations and promote skin health. Improved liver function. Cloves contain compounds that may support liver health and aid in the detoxification process. Weight management. Clove water is believed to boost metabolism and aid in weight management, although more research is needed to confirm these claims. Stress relief. The aroma of cloves is often used in aromatherapy for its calming and stress-relieving effects. Improved sleep. Some individuals claim that consuming clove water before bed can promote better sleep due to its relaxing properties. Anti-cancer potential. Some studies have shown that certain compounds in cloves exhibit anti-cancer properties, although more research is needed to fully understand their potential. Nutritional benefits. Cloves are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and fiber, which can contribute to overall health and well-being. Remember, while these benefits are based on anecdotal evidence and limited scientific studies, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new remedies into your routine, especially if you have any existing health conditions or are taking medications.